Here is a simple way to edit your writing. The ARMS strategy. This checklist will help you improve your work. A is for add. Look for what's missing. Did you forget a detail? Or maybe a sentence to explain an idea? Adding details makes your writing more interesting. For example, instead of saying, "the dog barked," you could add a detail like, "the hungry dog barked loudly at the mailman." R is for remove. Take out extra words you don't need. Look for words or sentences that are repeated. For example, if you wrote, "the very, very, very tall man stood there," you can remove two of the verys. Your writing is stronger with just "the very tall man stood there." M is for move. Put sentences in the right order. Does your story make sense from beginning to end? You might need to move a sentence to a new spot. For example, I ate breakfast. I woke up. Let's move those sentences around to make sense. I woke up. Then, I ate breakfast. S is for substitute. Swap out a word for a better one. This helps you avoid repeating the same words over and over. For example, if you wrote, "the scary monster had a scary laugh and gave a scary yell," you can substitute some of the scaries. It would sound better to say, "the scary monster had a frightening laugh and gave a terrifying yell." You now know how to use the ARMS strategy to make your writing even better.